Tired of traditional banking? Frustrated with hidden fees and clunky interfaces? You're not alone. In this video, we'll dive deep into Lunar, a modern banking experience designed for the digital age. We'll guide you step by step on how to open an account and explore the exciting features that await you. Lunar is more than just a bank account, it's a financial ecosystem. It's designed to simplify your financial life, offering a range of features beyond traditional banking, such as roundup savings, automatically round up your purchases and invest the spare change. Investment opportunities, explore various investment options, including stocks and ETFs, directly within the app. Personalized budgeting tools, easily track your spending, set budgets, and achieve your financial goals. Free international transfers, send money abroad quickly and affordably. Sustainable options, choose cards made from recycled materials and support eco-friendly initiatives. Now, let's get started on how to open your Lunar account. Download the app, head to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and download the Lunar app. Create an account. Tap Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need to provide your personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Verify your identity by taking a photo of your ID or passport. Choose your plan. Lunar offers various plans to suit different needs and budgets. Explore the options and select the one that best aligns with your financial goals. Fund your account. Link your existing bank account to your Lunar account. You can easily transfer funds between accounts or use your debit card to make purchases. Once your account is set up, it's time to explore the exciting features. Roundup savings, activate the roundup feature to automatically round up your purchases to the nearest whole number. The spare change is then invested in your chosen investment portfolio. Budgeting tools, utilize the budgeting tools to track your spending habits. Set daily, weekly, or monthly budgets for different categories like groceries, dining, and entertainment. Investment options, explore the investment opportunities available within the app. Start with fractional shares to invest in stocks and ETFs with minimal amounts. Utilize the app's research tools to make informed investment decisions. Tips and tricks. Take advantage of the free international transfers, send money abroad to friends and family quickly and affordably. Customize your card, choose from a variety of card designs and colors to personalize your Lunar experience. Stay updated, follow Lunar's social media channels and blog for the latest news, promotions, and tips. Opening a Lunar account is a quick and easy process that can significantly improve your financial life. With its innovative features, user-friendly interface, and commitment to sustainability, Lunar is a game-changer in the world of banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.